So kung bago ka pa lang sa channel ko, huwag kalimutang mag-like and subscribe.
Welcome to another vlog, and for today's video, pag-aaralan naman natin kung paano yung tips and tricks on multiplying any number sa numbers sa panay 9. Ano yung mga yon? So that's 99, 999, 9,999, and so on and so forth. Okay, so for example, we have here 55 times 99. So ang una natin gagawin is to add 1 dito sa ating number na panay 9. Okay, so we get 100. Okay. Tapos, multiply natin yan sa isa pa natin given. So, mas madali na lang mag-multiply ngayon kasi magdadagdag na lang tayo ng dalawang 0. Okay, so we bring down 55 and add the 2 zeros. Okay, and then, magma-minus tayo ngayon ng 55. Okay, so, here, this is 0, so magiging 10. We'll borrow 1 from here. Okay, so we'll get 10 minus 5. That's 5. Okay, and this will become 9. Okay, and 9 minus 5 is 4. And then ito magiging 4. So baba lang natin yung 4. And baba lang natin yung 5. Okay, so ang sagot natin, 55 times 99 is 5,445. Okay, so next example, we have 86 times 999. Okay, so again, mag-a-add lang tayo ng 1 dito. Okay, and we'll get 1,000. Tapos, ibaba natin yung given natin na 86. So, 86 times 1,000, we get 86,000. Okay, so mas madali na siyang i-multiply. Now, next process natin is to subtract 86 from 86,000. Okay, so since sunod-sunod yan na 0, what I do is, dito ako nag-umpisa ng regrouping. So, this will become 5, 9, 9, and 10. Okay, so 10 minus 6, that is 4. Then 9 minus 8 is 1, 9. We bring down 9, 5, and 8. Okay, so, ang sagot natin, 86 times 99 is 85,914.
Alright.
Okay, so next example, meron naman tayong 123 times 9,999. So again, we'll just add 1 dito. Okay, and then we'll get 10,000. Okay, and multiply it to 123. So mas madali na lang yung i-multiply. Lagay lang natin yung 123 and we'll copy all the zeros. So meron tayong 4 na 0. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and then, okay, mag-minus tayo or subtract ng 123. Okay, so minus 123. Okay, again, dito ako nag-uumpisa ng regrouping kapag sunod-sunod yung zeros. So, this will become 2, 9, 9, 9, and 10. So, that will be 7, 7, 8, 9, 2, 2, and 1. Okay. So, ang sagot natin, 123 times 9,999 is 1,229,877. So, next example natin, 87,562 times 99,999. Okay, so, ang first method natin is to add 1. So, we'll get 100,000. Okay, and we multiply it dito sa ating isa pang given. So, we'll get, okay, gagawin lang natin, bababa natin, 87, 5, 6, 2. And kopyahin lang natin yung 5 zeros. So, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, next is to subtract this given number here. Okay, so, subtract natin. So, yung 8, 7, 5, 6, 2. Okay. So, when I regroup, inumpisahan ko dito kapag sunod-sunod yung 0. Umpisa natin dito. So, this will be 1. This will be 9, 9, 9, 9, and then 10. So, 10 minus 2 will get 8. 9 minus 6 is 3. 9 minus 5 is 4. Okay, 9 minus 7 is 2. Okay, 9 minus 8 is 1. Tapos, baba lang natin yung mga nandito. So, that's 1, 6, 5, 7, 8. Okay, so ang ating final answer, okay, so 87,562 times 99,999 is equivalent to 8,756,112,438. So kung nagustuhan niyo ang video nito, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.